Hey YouTube, it's me, Ladybug44, and I'm going to be making mahi mahi, which is fish, and I'm going to show you how I make it, like my way. I'm going to give you a tutorial and what the seasonings that you should use and all those types of stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is the ingredients that you're going to be using: black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, lemon pepper, Italian seasoning, and paprika. And this is the mahi mahi and some lemons. So I'm gonna cut up the lemons, and that's what's gonna go in the frying pan with the seasoned fish. So what you're going to do is run the mahi mahi under cold water for about 15 minutes so it can thaw. So now that the fish is thawed, you're going to put some paprika and onion powder on it, on the other seasonings. But the black pepper and the salt aren't going to be used until it's in the frying pan. So just watch. This is how it's supposed to look. After applying both the paprika and the onion powder, you're going to put lemon pepper and Italian seasoning. So this is going to be the final look. I am not going to tell you the amount that I used because, you know, everyone has their own personal choice, you know, what they like, you know, the taste and things. I'm not going to tell you the measurements or something. I usually just freestyle this, so I didn't measure it anyways. So what's going to happen is I'm going to put this on the frying pan. It's ready to go on. I'm going to cut up some lemon and put it on the frying pan. My butter is already ready. So this is what I'm going to do: melt the butter and then slice up the lemon and then place it on the pan. And now I'm going to show you what that looks like. After melting my butter on the now sizzling pan, I'm going to place some lemons, thinly sliced, down so that can marinate in there. And then I'm going to place my fish when it sizzles out a little bit more. Okay, that's sizzling just the way that I like it. I'm gonna place the fish. And let that sit there for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it over. I also like to make sure that it's cooked like all the way through and properly, so I like to place the lid down and let it cook. I'm going to now apply some of my salt, a little bit of salt and pepper. Like over the fish like this. And then I'm going to get the other side when I flip it. It smells so good. Now after flipping, this is exactly what it's supposed to look like. You're going to let the other side cook the same, and then, you know, it's done. So yeah, that's about it. I'll show you what the aftermath looks like. So this is the result. I took a piece and started eating it. It was so good. Oh my god. This is the final product. It tastes very lemony and delicious. So yeah, that's all for this video. And thank you for watching.